Hello, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're exploring the versatile and aromatic ginger mint, a delightful member of the mint family that brings a warm, spicy twist to traditional mint. Ginger mint is a vigorous, spreading perennial that grows up to 18 to 24 inches tall. Its oval, serrated leaves are bright green with hints of variegation, occasionally tinged with yellow. When crushed, the leaves emit a delightful fragrance, blending classic minty freshness with warm, spicy undertones. In summer, ginger mint produces clusters of tiny, pale purple to lavender flowers, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Its sprawling growth habit makes it an excellent ground cover or border plant for herb gardens. Ginger mint is native to Europe and has since spread to gardens worldwide, particularly in temperate climates. It thrives in moist, well-drained soil and prefers partial to full sunlight. This adaptable herb is easy to grow in garden beds, containers, or even indoors on a sunny windowsill. In the wild, mint species like ginger mint play a crucial role in supporting pollinators. Their nectar-rich flowers attract bees and butterflies, contributing to healthy ecosystems. In cultivation, ginger mint's fast-growing and spreading nature makes it useful for preventing soil erosion and adding greenery to tricky spaces. However, its vigorous growth requires containment to prevent it from overtaking other plants. Ginger mint is easy to care for, making it an excellent choice for beginner gardeners. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, prefers moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially during hot weather. Regularly trim back stems to promote bushier growth and prevent legginess. Ginger mint pairs well with other herbs like thyme, oregano, and basil in the garden. Its aromatic foliage also makes it a natural pest deterrent when grown alongside vegetables like tomatoes and peppers. Ginger mint is a culinary delight. You can use its fresh leaves to flavor teas, cocktails, fruit salads, and desserts. Its spicy undertones also complement savory dishes like roasted meats and vegetable stir-fries. Like other mints, ginger mint has soothing properties. It can aid digestion, relieve headaches, and provide a calming effect when brewed into tea. And there you have it, the aromatic and versatile ginger mint. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite ginger mint recipes or gardening tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.